In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Figma. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to go to figma.com and go to your design that you're currently working on. So as you can see in my screen, I have this random template design. So to edit a text, first you want to click here on the text icon and first create a text box. Now from here, you can type in whatever you want. So let's say, hey there. And also you can change the size of the text box. You can also change the font. So just double click on your text and here in the right side, you'll see all of this settings, the typography. You can change the fonts. You can even change the color. So if you're wondering if you can edit text like this, let's say you want to edit the text right here in the header, I think there's no way you can change this text. You can only edit it by changing the fonts, the size. So as you can see from here, you can change the layout. Also from here, just double click on the text. You can change the fonts right here, the design, the style. You can change it to bold, to thin, whatever you like. So just play around the settings right here on the right side, and that's how you can edit the text in Figma. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.